Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can set up payment methods in WooCommerce, and it will be a tutorial for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, we already come over here to the dashboard of WordPress. So here we just want to enable the payment. So that for reason we just need to go to the plugin. Once I come over here, then I just need to be install the WooCommerce. You will find out this WooCommerce platform into the plugin history. You just need to click over here, add plugin options. Once you click over here, then here you can explore all the things. Search just only WooCommerce. Once you search it, then here actually you will find out the plugin called WooCommerce. Here actually you can see it. So you just need to be install it, and once you install it, you just need to be activate the plugin on your website. Once it complete, now the next step is to enable all these things like set up your payment, set up your product, set up your shipping, all the necessary things you just need to be set up it here. So when we install that one, we already get the payment options, but you can go with that options also. This is the parent options. You just need to go to the WooCommerce panel, then you just need to be shift to the setting. Once you click over here, then here eventually see you will find out the payments option. Just select this one, and actually you will find out the options here. Accept payments with WooCommerce. You just need to be install this one, or you can install this one, PayPal payments, or you can take offline payments also. There is other payment option available in here. You can check this out. That is the Stripe, then Square, and your Wallet payment. So I will go with the accept payments with Woo that save 10% can processing fees, and this is the official one, and it almost accept all those payment procedures. So here it already been installed here, so I just need to complete the setup. So I'll click over here, and next I just need to be set up all the things. Like I just need to connect my store, and here you can see it appears you are attempting to set up WooPayments from an unsupported country. So WooPayments is not supported in here. That is the actual problem. So if you feel that there is a problem, then you can go to the payments and see is there have any other third-party options. If not, then go with the PayPal one. Once you click over here install, it will be installed again, and you just need to set up all the things. So this is the easiest way to set up payment methods in WooCommerce, and this is the actual so much easy way to install your payment. So if you are integrate any local provider, like you just need to go to the plugin, and you will definitely find out the local provider as your payment option in WooCommerce, because WooCommerce is an expanded store where you will find out anything. Like Bkash is our local provider, so if I search the Bkash, then definitely I will get the options of Bkash official merchant account. Here you can see payment gateway Bkash. So here you can see 100+. So you just need to click on install. Once you click over here, then you can easily integrate this Bkash with our WordPress. So it's totally dependent on you. If you think that you are from India or South Asia, you can go with the RuPay, GenPay, whatever you country supported. So you can do these things with this WordPress plugin. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And now I think you can easily set up payment methods in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching.